Welcome to Maths with Mr. Chow. In this video, we'll learn how to use a scientific calculator for trigonometry. We'll look at how to calculate sine, cosine, and tangent, and make sure your calculator is in the correct mode. Let's get started. Before using sine, cosine, or tangent, first check your calculator mode. Make sure your calculator is in degree mode. Look for the letter D on the screen. This shows that the calculator is using degrees. We use degree mode when angles are given in degrees. Do not use RAD mode for these questions. If your calculator is not in degree mode, here is how to change it. First, press Shift. Next, press Mode or Setup. On the screen, you can see that number 3 is degree mode. Press 3 to select degree mode. Finally, check that the letter D appears on the screen. Now let's use sine on the calculator. For example, calculate sine of 30 degrees. First, press the sine button. Then enter 30 and press equals. The answer is 0.5. So, sine of 30 degrees equals 0.5. Next, let's use cosine. Calculate cosine of 40 degrees. First, press the cosine button. Then enter 40 and press equals. The calculator gives us approximately 0.7660. Here, we have rounded the answer to 4 decimal places. Finally, let's use tangent. Calculate tangent of 45 degrees. First, press the tangent button. Then enter 45 and press equals. The answer is 1. So, tangent of 45 degrees equals 1. Before we finish, here are some common mistakes to avoid. Make sure your calculator is not in RAD mode when working with angles in degrees. Check that you are pressing the correct trigonometric button, sine, cosine, or tangent. Also, make sure you enter the correct angle. And don't round your answer too early. Remember, always check DG mode first. Let's quickly review. First, check that your calculator is in DEG mode. Choose sine, cosine, or tangent. Enter the angle and press equals. Then round your answer if needed. And that's how to use a calculator for basic trigonometry. Thanks for watching.